Naomi Home introduces the Serena Mesh Drafting Chair. This adjustable office chair will make a great addition to your home or office space. Feel comfortable while working and increase productivity during long hours. It has an ergonomic design with contoured back and lumbar support, which improves healthy posture and keeps the spine in the correct alignment. The Serena has mid-back mesh ventilation and is made with premium fabric. The mesh allows the circulation of air to avoid any accumulation of heat and humidity. The height can be easily adjusted to your preferred comfort and offers an adjustable extension of the armrest and foot ring. This comfortable chair has a 5-star nylon base with smooth wheels that make moving around the room easy and quiet as needed. The Serena Mesh Drafting Chair comes in various colors such as black, blue, white, and more. Thanks for watching! Like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.